a relativity is supposed to be an improvement on previous science by talking about events. Events occur in space-time, and your formulations are going to be a description of these events in space-time.
Right.
But I think already this is an error. Now, would you say the Civil War was an event?
Oh, you could say it was a series of events, but then you could say each event of each event that you could describe was a series of events.
Well, my point is, let's say the discovery of America was an event, or you could say the signing of the Declaration of Independence was an event. That's history, is the study of these events.
That is what we call events.
But if you really think about what that means, nothing was the same after those events. They were not strictly events, they were changes of state. The Declaration of Independence created a new government.
Quite literally a change of state.
And discovery of America was a new discovery. The world wasn't the same after that discovery. So instead of an event would be represented as a blip on a graph, while a change of state is what they call the S-curve. It could be abrupt if you wish, but as long as there's some momentum in it, it's going to take a little time to occur. Now, what's the difference between a change of state and an event? The difference is that the change of state incorporates what's been before, whereas the event is symmetrical. The future doesn't contain it, and the past didn't contain it, so the event is just this blip.
Symmetrical over time, you mean?
Right.
Okay.
Now that's a very important thing that's wrong with relativity, but it's incorporated in the scientific mindset. The idea that there is any memory that would accumulate these things is not possible in the scientific paradigm.